Let's look at this question 4 on word problem. When 5 is subtracted from 4 times a number and the remainder is divided by 3, the result becomes 7. What is the number? From here, we will follow our 3 rules, which say that we should choose a letter to represent the number required, change each statement in the question to statement containing the letter you are choosing, and link up all the parts of the question to form an equation. So the first thing is to choose a letter to represent the number required. Let the number be S. So the second rule, we change each statement in the question to statement containing the letter you have chosen. So from the question, when 5 is subtracted from 4 times a number, which is the S, now be 4 times the S, and 5 is subtracted from this, so minus 5. But we'll go further with the question, and the remainder is divided by 3. For example, if you are asked to divide 7 over 2, your answer will be 3 whole number, remainder 1 divided by 2. And this is also equals to this. From here, and the remainder is divided by 3. So we'll divide this by 3. So this will be the required statement. And the result becomes 7. But this will be equals to 7. So this is our linear equation. From here, we can multiply through by 3. Now be 3 times 4s minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 3 times 7. 3 here we have 1, 3 here we have 1. So our equation will be 4s minus 5 equals to 3 times 7, which is 21. So when we collect like this, 4s will be equals to 21. When we move this to the other side, it becomes plus 5. So 4s is equals to 26. From here, we'll find our s. S is equals to 26 divided by 4. 2 here we have 2. 2 here we have 13. So this will be s is equals to 13 divided by 2. And 13 divided by 2, we have 6 whole number, remainder 1 divided by 2. So this is our answer to this question. So please click on the subscription button to get more questions on word problem. Thank you.